Yes, hello, good morning sa lahat po ng member ng PHW. Ito po yung ilan po sa produkto natin and benefits. Sa mga gustong malaman kung ano yung mga benepisyo ng produkto po ng PHW, so ito po yun. So unang-una po na ipapakilala ko is ang Gluta-Gold. Okay? So yung Gluta-Gold po natin ay 4-in-1 na po yan. Okay, meron po yung glutathione, collagen, vitamin E, and vitamin C. Which is best for liver cleanser and detoxifier. Maganda din sa skin health, bone health, muscle health, heart health, hair and nail health, wound healing, premenstrual syndrome or PMS like yung may mga anxiety, depression, fatigue, and etc. Maganda din yung Gluta-Gold natin sa mga cognitive decline like Alzheimer, blood health, tissue growth and repair, and immune system. Okay, pangalawang produkto po na meron tayo is yung 10-in-1 coffee. Yung 10-in-1 coffee po natin is magaling po. Meron po itong 10 ingredients like purple corn, agaricus mushroom, arabica coffee, mangosteen, moringa spirulina, barley, grapeseed, and pomegranate and stevia. Now which is high in antioxidant, memory enhancer, maganda din to sa mga muscle soreness, cholesterol, blood sugar, high in fiber din po ito. May B complex na, maganda sa inflammations, cardiovascular health, cancer, bone health, cell repair, improve cognition and vision. Sa mga medyo may problema po sa paningin natin, maganda po to. Except with that, yung pangatlong products po natin is yung Agassiz Plus with zinc. Okay? Na maganda po to improve our blood circulation, improve cardio health, protection against infections, wound healing, anti-depression, improve eye health, and immune system booster. And next naman na products po natin, meron po tayong spirulina. So yung spirulina po natin, or Atrospira plantensis, ay maganda po to sa heart health. May problema po dyan sa heart, mataas po yung cholesterol, maganda din po to. Blood sugar, inflammations, brain health, skin health, weight loss, and it is high in protein, iron, minerals, B complex, and antioxidant. So importante po sa atin na makapag-take po tayo ng spirulina. At the same time, meron din po tayong magnesium plus with negative ion and terahertz. So yung magnesium plus po natin, maganda po to sa may migraine or headache, hypertension, osteoarthritis, wound healing, naturally aids restful sleep, help muscle pain, reduce stress, improve mood, stabilize autonomic nerve system, antibacteria, antiviruses, and antimolds, increases metabolic activity in cells, increases cellular oxygenation, and normalize blood flow. Marami na po tayong testimony po nito. And last but not the least, our flagship product, so-called Glutagen C+. So why you need to take Glutagen C+? Number one, it is acid neutralizer. Best for keeping your bones, muscles, heart, and brain working properly. Minerals are also important for making enzymes and hormones with alkaline-based vitamin C and with 72 minerals. So isa din po to sa main component ng Glutagen C po natin is yung collagen. So why is it important to us to take collagen? Importante po yung collagen sa atin, okay? To healthier hair and nails, ease joint pain and increases muscle mass, bone health, skin health, improve brain and liver health, wound healing, and rejuvenate skin. Pangalawa, meron din itong Ruship. So Ruship po ay merong anti-aging power, weight loss, maganda din sa mga may osteoarthritis, chronic pain relief, at urinary health. And meron din tong Kamo-Kamo. So yung Kamo-Kamo berry or Kamo berry, maganda din po. Mataas po yung antioxidant, mataas yung vitamin C, high in anti-inflammatory, weight loss, improve blood sugar, antimicrobial, healthier blood pressure. And of course, meron din tong glutathione. So yung glutathione po is napakaganda po to reduce oxidative stress, heal psoriasis, reduce cells damage in alcoholic and non-alcoholic fatty liver. At the same time, maganda po ang glutathione sa mga mayroong type 1 and type 2 diabetes. That's all. Thank you.